Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for Dollar Bead Box for January of 2025. Hope everybody's having a good New Year so far. I just received it. So I have a coupon code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your order with them, your first order with them. I will leave the link below to the coupon code as well as their website. So I will say I did peek a little bit and it's really pretty. So I also get the 8 strands of check fire polish for $8. Oh, these are pretty. Look at how pretty these are. You can tell February is coming up, Valentine's Day. It says, Happy New Year, here's to the amazing 2025 for the January box. We pulled our inspiration from next month's celebration. Creating jewelry for Valentine's Day can be a delightful way to express love and appreciation, whether you observe the occasion or not. Even if Valentine's Day isn't your tradition, crafting jewelry inspired by themes of love and connection make for thoughtful gifts or timeless pieces for yourself. Okay. Georgia. Little doggies in here. Okay. Oh, look at these. Oh. Oh, look how pretty everything is. Oh, and I love this. This would make a really pretty pendant necklace, earring set, little check flowers. Oh, I'm so excited to open this. Okay, let me get everything settled and I will be right back. Okay, so these are the 3mm ones for the month. Look at how pretty these are. They go very well together too. Just like, this just screams Valentine's Day. We have a dark pink or crystal carnation lumi right there, I think. Raspberry luster or dark raspberry copper, I would think that's this one. And then matte copper, a matte Victorian bronze would be this one. And then the cyan or matte cyan would be this one. Look at how pretty those are. Gorgeous. And then we have the 4mm ones. And it would be the dark pink or crystal carnation, opaque light rose. I'm thinking that's what that is. Alabaster ruby luster, and then matte cyan. So we have a couple of them in the 3 and 4mm, which is great. So if you need, 2 different sizes, you've got them. Look at how pretty these are. They're nice long strands. Each one of these is $1. I mean, you could make 8 bracelets for $8. They're so pretty. Love these. Okay, let me get to the box. Okay, so we're starting with the strands first. This is the 6mm check glass bellflower in cyan or pink. So this is cyan, 25 pieces. Look how pretty that is. Very pretty. And I like to use these as spacers too, and put like, you could put like a round bead and then put them around, and they make really nice spacers if you don't want to use them as the little bellflower. Next is the 3x5mm check glass gem cut rondelle light pink, 25 pieces. It's so pretty. They get the hole in the middle. They got like a lot of texture on them. And then this is really pretty. 1x2mm Chinese crystal rondelles in opaque red or crystal, 120 pieces. These are really tiny, but look how pretty they are. I got the crystal. It's kind of nice. It makes a good like spacer. Yeah, so that's that. And next is the 3mm check glass struck in cherry, 66 pieces. So this is a nice long strand. And then next is, these are pretty, 8mm check glass cherry flowers in red copper, 25 pieces. And as you can see, they have the flower shape on them. They're so pretty. And then last for the strands, 4mm or 6mm check glass pearl in rose gold, 20 or 40 pieces. So I would say this is the 4mm. Look at that pretty pink. It's got so much shine to it. You can see that rose gold finish on them. So we have those. Now we're getting to the little bags here. So first is 11 by 16mm check glass heart, pink with red, 2 pieces. Look how cute these are. Oh, so adorable. And they're the same on both sides. So cute. I love that shape. It's a different kind of shaped heart. Next is 12 by 18mm check glass twisted oval, pink opal, 2 pieces. So it's got that swirl to it, which is really cool. Like that. These are really pretty. It's like drop earrings. Or if you wanted to do 2 like little, like for a pendant for a necklace, and you wanted to like have that as part of a focal piece, or just have it right around the pendant. You do a lot with these. Number 3 is 13mm check glass wild rose, opaque red with gold wash, 2 pieces. And this is the other one too. This is the 18mm check glass wild rose, opaque red with gold wash, 1 piece. I love these. I'm definitely going to be doing an earring and necklace set with these for sure. These are really pretty. And I might incorporate a few tiny gold Miyuki seed beads with this. Not sure yet. Haven't figured it out. I'm going to put them all in one. But you will stay tuned for that. And next are the 7 by 12mm check glass Baroque pearls in white, 8 pieces. These are really pretty. You've got that little engravement on them like that. They're really pretty. Perfect with this pink and the red. You could do little pearl earrings if you want with them. There's a lot you could do with these. And next is 8mm check glass hearts in Siam, 6 pieces. These are so cute. We always get such cute hearts from Dollar Bead Box. They always give us they give us the black ones with the AB finish on them. Okay. And next is a 16 by 20mm pewter filigree heart, 1 piece. And this, there's no it doesn't go all the way through. It's really cute. Lovely. It's a nice sturdy piece too. And next, 10 by 20mm check glass drops and opaque pink opal, 2 pieces. These are so pretty. And look at, they have that little line there. So pretty. The whole goes through the top. It's got a little bit of weight on them. And next is an 18mm vintage style check glass hard ruby with copper wash, 1 piece. Look at how cute this is. I'll go to the top. This makes a cute pendant. I actually have on my Etsy store right now with one of these, this exact bead. It's just like a little choker necklace that I made, and I have some little earrings to go with it. It's really cute. I made it probably about, I don't know, 6-7 months ago. And next is 6 by 8mm check glass melon rondelles and ruby AB, 6 pieces. Oh, I like this finish on them. Very pretty. Okay. And there's 2 more left. And the next one is 8x12 check glass table cut rectangle, pink, opal, or cherry. 4 pieces. These are pretty. This one's a little clearer than the other ones, a little more milky looking. Very pretty. You could probably take this box and make like 30 pairs of earrings out of these. If they were tiny earrings. And last but not least, 30 by 32 silver tie hill butterfly, 1 piece. And I actually have a pendant on my Etsy store with this as well. It's really pretty. I had little, like I had it coming up as like a long, it's a long necklace dangling. And then what I did was right here, I put tiny little 11/0 or 15/0 seed beads, Miyuki seed beads coming out so that you wouldn't see a space right there. And then I have a few things dangling from there. That's pretty. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I can't wait to get started working with this. And like I said, I have a coupon code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first order with them. I'll leave a link below as well as the coupon code so you will see it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And thank you everybody for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you're all having a good 2025 so far. Hopefully it's going to be a better year. And stay tuned. I got another video that I know you're going to love. And I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.